100 million Americans have medical debt right now. And according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, over half of all debt collection calls in this country are about medical bills, not credit cards, not car loans. Medical bills. But here's the part nobody tells you, a huge chunk of those bills are wrong. Overcharged. Duplicated. Sometimes billed to the wrong person entirely. And if your bill has already gone to collections, you still have powerful rights. You can fight this. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your medical billing advocate, and for the last 15 years I've helped everyday people like you claw back money from hospitals, insurance companies, and yes, debt collectors. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process for disputing a medical bill that has already gone to collections. We're going to cover the letters you need to send, the laws that protect you, and the specific words to use on the phone. Stick around to the end, because I'll walk you through a real example where a viewer knocked a $4,200 collections bill down to zero. Yes, zero. Before we dive in, this video is for educational purposes only and is not legal or financial advice. Always consult a qualified professional for your specific situation. Okay. Let's start with the most important thing you need to understand. When a medical bill goes to collections, it does not mean you owe that money. Let me repeat that. Collections is not proof of debt. It's just a claim. Think of it like this: if a stranger walked up to you at the grocery store and said, "Hey, you owe me $40, you wouldn't just hand over the cash. You'd say, "Prove it." That's exactly what we're going to do with this collection agency. Now, before we get into the steps, you need to know about 3 federal laws that are basically your armor here. The first is the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA. This law controls how debt collectors can behave. They can't harass you, they can't lie, and they have to prove the debt is yours if you ask. The second is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. This one controls what shows up on your credit report and gives you the right to dispute anything inaccurate. And the third is the No Surprises Act, which took effect in 2022. This one protects you from a lot of surprise out-of-network bills, especially from emergency rooms. And here's some fantastic news from 2023. The 3 big credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, announced that medical collection debts under $500 no longer appear on your credit report at all. Paid medical collections are also removed. And unpaid medical debt now takes a full year before it can even show up. So if you were worried about your credit, take a breath. You have time. Alright, let's get into the actual steps. Step 1, do not, I repeat, do not call the collection agency and start talking. Do not admit the debt is yours. Do not agree to a payment plan on the phone. Why? Because in some states, acknowledging a debt can restart the statute of limitations. That's the legal clock on how long they can sue you. You want that clock ticking down, not restarting. Step 2, send what's called a debt validation letter. This is your secret weapon. Under the FDCPA, you have 30 days from the first collection contact to demand that the collector prove the debt is real, prove it's yours, and prove they have the legal right to collect it. And here's the magic: until they send you that proof, they legally have to stop trying to collect. They have to stop calling. They have to stop reporting to credit bureaus. Everything freezes. What should your validation letter say? Keep it short. Include your name, the collection account number, and this key sentence: I dispute this debt and request full validation, including the original creditor, the original amount owed, an itemized bill, and proof of your legal authority to collect. Send it certified mail with return receipt. That last part is crucial. You need proof they received it. That green postcard that comes back? Keep it forever. Step 3, while you're waiting for validation, request an itemized bill from the original hospital or provider. Not the collection agency, the original doctor or hospital. You have a right to this under HIPAA and under most state laws. Ask for the fully itemized statement with CPT codes. Those are the 5-digit billing codes that show every single service you were charged for. Why do you want CPT codes? Because this is where 80% of billing errors live. According to research reported by NerdWallet and Consumer Reports, an estimated 80% of medical bills contain at least one error. Duplicate charges. Services you never received. A $50 aspirin. I've seen it all. Step 4. Once you get the itemized bill, comb through it line by line. Look for services on dates you weren't there. Look for the same charge listed twice. Look for supplies or room charges that seem outrageous. And Google every CPT code. You can literally type CPT 99284 into a search engine and see what it means and what the average price should be. Compare it to what a fair price would be using free tools like Healthcare Bluebook or the Fair Health Consumer website. Step 5. Dispute with the credit bureaus if the collection is on your report. Go to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion websites and file a dispute online. It's free. State that the debt is inaccurate, unverified, or that you never received proper validation. The bureaus have 30 days to investigate. If the collector can't verify the debt in that window, it must be removed from your report. Step 6. Check if you qualify for financial assistance, sometimes called charity care. This is huge and almost nobody knows about it. Under federal law, all nonprofit hospitals are required to have a financial assistance policy. Many will completely wipe out bills for people earning up to 400% of the federal poverty level. That's about $60,000 a year for a single person right now. And here's the kicker, you can apply for charity care even after the bill has gone to collections. Even years later, in many cases. Call the original hospital's billing or financial assistance office and ask, "Do I qualify for your financial assistance program?" That one sentence has erased more medical debt than I can count. Step 7. If none of that works, negotiate a settlement. Collection agencies typically buy medical debt for pennies on the dollar, sometimes 4 to 10 cents. So if your bill is $2,000, they might have paid $80 for it. That means you have massive room to negotiate. Offer 25 to 30% as a lump sum, and always, get any agreement in writing before you pay a single cent. And ask them to agree in that letter to a pay for delete, meaning they'll remove the collection from your credit report once paid. Okay, let's put all of this together with a real example. I want to walk you through what happened with a viewer I'll call Maria. Maria went to the ER for chest pain in 2022. She was uninsured at the time. 6 months later, a $4,200 bill from the hospital hit collections. She started getting calls constantly. Here's what Maria did. First, she sent a debt validation letter certified mail. The collection agency took 3 weeks to respond and sent her a single-page statement, no itemized bill, no proof of the original charges. That's not proper validation. Second, Maria called the hospital directly, not the collector, and requested an itemized bill with CPT codes. She found 2 problems. 1. She was charged for a CT scan she never received. That was an $1,800 error. 2. She was charged the ER's chargemaster rate, that's the hospital's inflated sticker price. Using Healthcare Bluebook, she found the fair price for her actual services was about $1,100, not $4,200. Third, Maria applied for the hospital's charity care program. She made $38,000 a year. She qualified for 100% assistance. The hospital not only wrote off the entire balance, but they recalled the debt from the collection agency, which meant the collection was completely removed from her credit report. Total time invested by Maria, about 6 hours of phone calls, letter writing, and paperwork over 2 months. Total saved, $4,200. That's $700 per hour of work. Show me another side hustle that pays that well.